YouTube, and we are also on the platform X. You can comment on our stories for tonight. And as I promised, on the line now we are joined by the Mpumalanga convener of the MK Party, Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and that is you'll know her as Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Advocate Mkhwebane, welcome to Well Focus, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me to Well Focus, and thank you to your listeners, and good evening.
Ma'am, you have a very huge task, or you have your diary is full for this weekend due to the events that are taking place. I'll assume that as the convener in the Mpumalanga province, you are the commander-in-chief, or you are the convener-in-chief for those events. Can you tell us what are the events that you have scheduled for this coming weekend?
Yes, indeed, as the commander-in-chief of Mpumalanga, convener of Mpumalanga of MKP, we have an event in Mkhondo, Zimbonzini Hall. Sizabe sigidinga ne-sub-region yaseMkhondo, all 19 wards. Sizabe si-engage nama-commanders, all members zomkhonto weSizwe from Ward 1 to Ward 19, and sizostata the program ngo-11 o'clock, but even a program in the morning, 9 o'clock. Sizobe esontweni, from there moving ngama-motorcade, and then sibe ne-event eholweni. And then on a Sunday, sine program yokulontsha i-student command, not a student command, youth league, MK Youth League. So sizabe sigidinga nabo eMelo, TVET College yase-Emelo. So that is a huge and a very busy weekend we are having as Umkhonto weSizwe, and sizabe silapho ne-detachment. So uzabe kuyimi as the convener. I-detachment eMpumalanga is in a coordinator, deputy convener, fundraiser, deputy fundraiser, organizer, and deputy organizer. So sizabe nje sigcwele yonke iMkhondo kanye neMsukanikwa. So both of them will visit.
And on the one lane, Piet Retief, we know that on the communication that you have been issuing throughout the week, you are also expecting members from the National High Command. Who are the names that we are expecting to join you on those events, especially on the one that is happening tomorrow?
Okay, members of the National High Command currently appointed Sibusiso Khadebe, Commander Sibusiso Khadebe, Bambizo, Commander Bubesi, as the convener of the deployees as Mpumalanga, and then Commander Umenzi Makubane, Obegai Treasury General MK, and then it's Mr. Munyela, Yena Begavele, member of the National High Command, they deploy in Mpumalanga. So those are the members of the National High Command who will be joining us on the program Yaksasa.
And when you look at I don't want us to go much into that one, but I'll just touch on it. You now, is this a way of showing that you are now in charge of Mpumalanga province, as we know that there have been uncertainty as to who is the rightful leader of, who is the rightful commander of Mpumalanga. Now that you are out there organizing events and going to the various areas of Mpumalanga, trying to ensure that your party is visible.
I would say that Umkhonto weSizwe President Kwamalala has indicated and appointed me to lead Mpumalanga as the convener and then the detachment. Definitely, it's not the first program with the detachment. Remember, we went to Nkomazi, where we welcomed the former mayor ANC. We welcome almost 1,000 members. Joined Umkhonto weSizwe Nkomazi. Therefore, this one is also another program as detachment. And as detachment, we also met the other structures like a consultant, the MK, student movement, the military veterans, the interfaith, and the traditional leaders, organizations as women and youth. So that's what we will continue to be doing in Mpumalanga going forward. And this is over a strategic planning session as a detachment involving members of the National High Command, and then from there, plan for the whole year to plan for 2026. So everyone, I remember, Umkhonto weSizwe would want to see Umkhonto weSizwe succeed. That's what we will be doing.
And when it comes to issue mobilization to the communities that you are going to, logo kona kuhamba njani, if I may ask?
Mobilization is a success kakhulu because, as I'm saying, ubuye Mkhondo, ubuya Komas showed us as a detachment people love Umkhonto weSizwe, and we have done a lot for them. And